What I like most about Pi Day is how it combines amazing activity with math and science, and I have learned to think more creatively and critically. Everyone participated actively in the games, and it was like a mini adventure.
Aquarius Piano is a fascinating project. It involves using acoustic physics and mathematical quadratic function to calculate sound frequencies. Our task is to find out which bottles creates which sound.
Cross key puzzle is my favorite game. It's a traditional Chinese sliding block puzzle where players need to rearrange the blocks to reach a goal, and it's a great way to develop problem-solving skills and logical thinking.
Such activities, they require the student to inquire, to use their brain, to think, to ask deep questions, deeper than the knowledge learned just in the classroom. And here we can see a very important IB principle, being an inquirer. They inquire themselves, they build the project around their questions, and the teacher acts as a guide, not so much as a teacher, but as a guide, allowing the student to think for themselves.
Life is like pi, infinite and unrepeating. Life are like numbers, simple and profound.
May everyone embrace this Pi Day event as a starting point, sailing on the current of mathematics and science and reaching higher.